So today we're going to look at how to do a half double crochet stitch. So here I have a piece where I have 3 very short rows in half double crochet. I'll show you how to do the stitch. I'm going to pick up my work, I'll tension my yarn, and then I'm going to take my hook and I'm going to yarn over the hook and then take the hook into the next stitch. When I say into the next stitch, I mean that I'm going underneath this V of the next stitch, and you can see a space there. If you're using really thin yarn, sometimes it's hard to see that space. Okay, I'm going to go into that space and I'm going to grab the yarn from the other side and pull it through. Now you see I have 3 loops on my hook, and I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 at once. Let's do that again. So I'm going to yarn over, go into the next stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through. I have 3 loops on my hook, and I'm going to pull through all 3. I'll do it again. Yarn over, into the stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through. Yarn over, through all 3. Yarn over, into the stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through, and then yarn over and pull through all 3. Let's do one more. We're going to yarn over, go into the stitch, grab the yarn and pull it through, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on the hook. You can see that what's happening is we're making this stitch, it's a little bit larger than a single crochet. You can see the 2 loops from doing that yarn over. It gives a little bit more space. It's not as dense as a single crochet. It's one of my go-to stitches, honestly, for hats because it gives a really nice stretch, a really nice feel to it, but it's dense enough that you don't lose the warmth that you want with a nice hat.